On Florida Health Finder, you can compare health plan information. At the top of the screen, click the red Compare button, and then Health Plans. You can choose to compare health plans in your county, the Medicaid Health Plan Report Card, quality of care indicators, member satisfaction scores for adults, and member satisfaction scores for parents and children. Let's take a look at health plans in your county to see how this tool works. We'll click the red Continue button. And you can see that there's a choice between commercial, HMO, PPO, and marketplace plans, Medicaid health plans, and Medicare HMO plans. I'll click the first option, commercial, HMO, PPO, and marketplace, and then click the red Continue button. On the next screen, we need to select a county. I'm going to select Franklin County and click the red View Results button. We can see on the results page the plans that are offered in this county. There are 2 plans offered, Aetna Health and Capital Health Plan. You have several options here. You can click the name of either plan to see more information about that plan. You can see the statewide enrollment numbers and the accreditation status. You can save these results to Excel, print them, or start over with a new search. Let's start over and take a look at the Medicaid Health Plan Report Card. We'll select that option and then click Continue. Again, using the map of Florida, let's pick a different county. Let's pick Hernando and view our results. The Medicaid Health Plan Report Card compares plans that participate in Medicaid, and this measures and compares these plans in 6 different areas. First, we can see that there is a star rating used, and at the bottom we can see that 5 stars means that this plan performed at or above 50% of all Medicaid health plan scores, all the way down to 1 star, and that means that they performed worse than 90% of all Medicaid health plan scores. So keeping in mind that 5 is high and 1 is low, we can see these plans compared on pregnancy-related care, keeping kids healthy, children's dental, keeping adults healthy, living with illness, and behavioral health care. You can further look at each category by clicking one of them at the top of the screen. So if I click Keeping Adults Healthy, now we'll see specific measures for adults, such as breast cancer and cervical cancer screenings, and so on. And if we click Living with Illness, that will change to diabetes and blood pressure scores. If we click Behavioral Health, we can see 2 different measures here, keeping kids healthy, and so on. As you click through each category, the plans will change and you can compare them in different areas. We can scroll to the bottom and start over again. And this time, let's look at quality of care indicators. Click the red Continue button. I'll pick Commercial again, and the red Continue button. This time, let's pick a different county, and let's look at Palm Beach and view our results. Now we can see some quality of care indicators compared for these commercial plans. There's quite a long list of plans, and we can see, again, a star system. The ratings key is listed at the bottom, and the measures compared are listed across the top. You can view the results as scores, a percentage number, or as a star rating. Let's click to start over. And finally, let's take a look at member satisfaction scores for adults, and we'll click Continue. Again, picking Commercial and Continue. This time, let's scroll a little further down the alphabet. Let's take a look at Walton County and click View Results. Again, we're looking at member satisfaction scores for Walton County. This is taken from survey data in 2017. And you can see the plan names are listed in the second columns. and the measures are listed across the top. There is a key map to explain any empty NA or NR sections.